Hello, and thank you for joining me for another another English lesson. And this one is in the past tense, and we're going to use past simple answers with the be verb in the negative. Okay, so using not. Okay, so we're going to use again. These are answers in the past simple with in the negative using not. So. And we're going to do, again, singular and plural. I got my little heart pointer as usual to show my love, okay? And these are answers to questions, right? Questions, okay? So the first one is, I was not. Like, were you in the library last night? No, and you use no with all of them. No, I was not. No, I was not. Were you at school yesterday? No, I was not. Okay? And then the next one is no. Or you can also use wasn't. So it's either no, I was not, or no, I wasn't. No, I was not, or no, I wasn't. Okay? And then, and no is because they are in the negative, you use no and not for all of them. Okay? So, no, you were not, or no, you weren't, okay, is the answer. So, was I late yesterday? No, you were not, or no, you weren't, or at least hopefully that's the answer, right? No, you were not. No, you weren't, Was I on time yesterday? No, you weren't. No, you were not, okay? And then the next one is no, he was not. No, he was not, or no, he wasn't. Okay, so was he there yesterday? Was he at school yesterday? No, he was not, or no, he wasn't. Okay, no, she wasn't. Was she happy yesterday? No, she wasn't. No, she wasn't. Okay. And then, or no, it wasn't, or no, it was not. Okay, you can pick and choose either one. You can use the contraction, or you can not use the contraction. No, it wasn't, or no, it was not. So, was the show fabulous? No, it was not, or no, it wasn't. Or, was the game exciting? No, it was not. No, it wasn't. Okay. And moving over to the plural here, again, the answers always begin with no, since we are talking about the negative, the past simple negative with the be verb. No, we were not, or no, we weren't, okay? No, we were not, or no, we weren't, okay? So, were we in the right place last night? No, we were not, or no, we weren't, okay? That's if you're including yourself in the group of people, referred to as we in the answer, okay? No, we were not, or no, we weren't. That's if you're including yourself in the group of we, okay? No, we were not. No, we weren't, okay? No, you were not, or no, you weren't, okay? If you're talking about a group of people, because we are talking about the plural. Were we in the right class? Were we in the right class? No, you weren't, or no, you were not, okay? If maybe the teacher is telling you, you were not in the right class, I did not see you, for example. No, you were not. No, you weren't. Okay? Were we in the right place? No, you were not. No, you weren't. Okay? And no, they were not, or no, they weren't. Okay? Were they in the car yesterday? No, they were not, or no, they weren't. Okay? Were they in the library yesterday? Were they in the library studying yesterday? No, they were not. No, they weren't. Again, all the answers, you begin with no because they're in the negative, okay? This is the negative be verb. Okay, and again, going through the examples one more time. I was not, or I wasn't. So, no, I was not. So you always begin with no. No, I was not. No, I wasn't. Okay? You were not, or you weren't. No, you were not. No, you weren't. Okay? And then he was not, he wasn't, she was not, she wasn't, it was not, it wasn't. No, he was not. Or no, he wasn't. No, she wasn't. Or no, she was not. No, it was not. Or no, it wasn't. And then moving over to we, you, they. We were not. We weren't. You were not. You weren't. They were not. They weren't. Again, always beginning the answer with no, because it's a negative. No, you were not. Or no, you weren't. No, we weren't. Or no, we were not. No, they were not. Or no, they weren't. Alternately, okay? So again, that is the past simple with the be verb in the negative. So beginning the answer with no in the negative. And I hope this is pretty straightforward. I think there are not too many complications in this lesson. So for most people, it's fairly straightforward. Just remember to follow the rules. I goes with was not or wasn't. You were not or weren't. He, she, it, was not or wasn't, and then when you get to the plural, we, you, they, then you switch back to were not or weren't, which is similar to you in the singular. So just remember that, and again, always begin your answer with no because it's in the negative. All right, well, thank you very much for joining me. I really appreciate your patience, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to always ask, and I'd be happy to answer them. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned a lot. And keep learning English and keep trying to master what can be a tricky language at times. Thank you, and have a wonderful afternoon or morning or evening, wherever